Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video.
All right, well, we finally did it. We got the car into the nines, and I'm pumped. I wanted to run a 9-second pass in the car, and we did it with just an intake and tune. Feels good. The car will just keep getting faster and faster, but we're loving it. I can't wait to keep on running more passes with it.
All right, everyone, we got the ZR1 finished up here with that little round of mods I had on the last video. We did a upper pulley, headers, intake, which I already had. We did a Alky methanol kit, and we put some MS-109 fuel in. See what's going to make on the dyno. It made 755 before with just intake and tune on 93. So we'll see what it does here with all these next round of mods. Maybe we'll hit 800, maybe not. But I'd like to run like a mid to low 9 in the car at almost 150. With these mods that are on it right now, I think it'll do it. Gonna go ahead and start up the car now with the new headers on there and see if it sounds any different. Oh yeah, it's definitely got more of a throaty sound to it. A lot louder. Oh wow. Yeah, it's loud. All right, we're gonna get out of here. All right, so first pull, it made 741. We had to let off its maximum. Once the dyno hits 200, it shuts off. Obviously, we're still a little rich here, so he's gonna pull some more fuel out. We haven't even added any timing yet. So we can add a lot more timing now with you know, the methanol and the MS109 in there. We do have a little bit more boost now, so you know, maybe we'll be able to keep the same timing that we had in it to begin with. Okay, so that time we were at 785. Not sure on the torque. We don't have the torque reading out right now. But it was 190 mile an hour on the dyno. No cooldowns. That's just running it, just tuning it. So that's about, you know, 30 more horsepower than what it made before. Just keep on going. I think we can get to 800 would be my guess where it was going to be at. I'll be happy with that. Alright, so that pull we were at 802.99. Okay, so that pull it made 802.99 horsepower. We got over that 800 horsepower mark, which that was my goal. I think, you know, mid to low nines is probably where it's going to be at. It's kind of what the other ones are running with this same amount of power. If y'all say GM needs a Hellcat equivalent, well, that's it. What a Hellcat motor would do in a C7, that's it right there. Makes about the same power a Hellcat motor would do with almost the same mods, and can't really complain there. Got a 285 pulley on it, 285 on a Hellcat. You know, basically we do mid pipes on a Hellcat because the stock manifolds are so good. This car we put headers on it and did a thermostat intake, and we did meth, but you know, that's probably good for about 30 horse on this car. Hellcat with these same mods is probably gonna make about 780, so we're kind of right on par with exactly what a Hellcat motor would do. LT5 is basically GM's version of the Hellcat motor. All right, there's the final numbers right there. Made 818, 822 torque. Not too bad. And it's honestly, it was still climbing power a little bit, but we're maxing out the speed on the dyno. 193 miles an hour. Okay, well, you can't really beat that. Just minor bolt-ons, pulley, headers, methanol, thermostat, and intake. With MS109 fuel, 818 to the tires. Made 755 before and went 990s at 140. I'm thinking now we're probably gonna be in that mid-9 range at about 147, 148 would be my guess. So yeah, ZR1, thanks Justin for getting us all tuned up here at Just Tune. We're gonna take it right around the corner back to Killer Performance, get this thing loaded up and headed to TX2K.